Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to request access to a page in Facebook Business Manager. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. So first, we're gonna open a browser. Don't worry, you can use whichever browser that you like as long as it can access the page that we're going to. For this video, I will use Microsoft Edge. Let's go ahead and open. And once you've opened, all you have to do is to type in the link business.facebook.com. When you've typed it in, all you have to do is to log in, and if you still haven't registered to the business account, all you have to do is to register using your Facebook account and you will be logged in. For the next step, all you have to do is to go to the bottom left corner of the screen. By the way, you can also access this in your PC or laptop. Once you're here, all you have to do is to tap on settings. Once you've tapped on settings, all you have to do is to zoom out and zoom in to the top left part of your screen, and on there you will see the settings. And in this settings, you will see a gear icon which refers to the settings of the business manager. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped it in, you will be transferred to another tab going to the business settings. As you can see, this is the business setting, and let's zoom in for a bit and go here and this part. And as you can see, there are different categories, but the category that we're looking for is the accounts. And on the accounts category, the setting that we're looking for is the pages. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will see the screen. And in the middle, let's zoom in, you will see the list of the pages that is registered to your business account. And to request access to a page, all you have to do is tap on the add button. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, this prompt will come up, and as you can see, the second one is the one that we need. Request access to a page. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, a prompt will come out asking to set or select a primary page. As for your business needs a primary page to request access to pages, add accounts, and other assets that belong to another business. And they will verify your business through your primary page. Your primary page should be the Facebook page that best represents the business you work for. On here, all you have to do is to choose a page and select the page of your business. But if you don't have a page, all you have to do is to tap on the create new Facebook page. Then tap on next. And once you've tapped on next, you will be asked to type in the name of the page or the URL that you'd like to gain access to. All you have to do is to tap and type in the page that you'd like to gain access to. And once you've typed in and tapped on it, as you can see, you can select the role you need on the page. It will all depend on what the owner will decide to. Let's say we're just gonna request for the content, and once you've selected, all you have to do is to tap on request access. As you can see, a request has been sent asking to the people who manage the page that you've requested to approve your request, and you'll be notified if the request has been approved. And once it's approved, it will be on the list of the pages here on your business management, but if not, it won't. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.